Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about selection sort. So selection sort is the simplest algorithm for sorting the array element. What it does is we select the minimum element in the array and place it in the beginning of the array. So let's move with an example. Let 7 0 7 0 6 1 7 0 6 1 2. So let this be our array. So what it does, it assume the minimum element is our of our array is this. So this is the minimum element and our z pointer will be here. So the selection sort assumes that the array before this is sorted and array after this is not sorted. So what it does, it will find the minimum element in this array. In this array, find the minimum element and put it in the left array. So 7 is the only element in the left array. So the first element of the second array is 0, then 6, then 1, then 2. So 0 is the first ever element. So what it does, it will swap 0 and 7. So the array becomes 0, 7, 6, 1, 2. So after this, the sorted array is this and the unsorted array is this. So minimum element is this and j is here. So after this 0 1 6 7 and 2. So this is the our sorted array, and after that smallest element is 0 1 2 6 and 7, and after running again this will be 0 1 2 6 7. So after every pass our array is passing the n-1th pass element. So for every pass we need to do the n-1 comparisons. So for the first pass, the comparisons we need to do is 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So let's assuming this and adding all the values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. So what we will get after this? We will get n into n minus 1 upon 2. This will become n square minus n upon 2, and after approximating the value we will get the time complexity of big O of n square. So our selection sort algorithm is the quadratic time complexity. So let's move to the code. Let me write the selection sort function, void selection sort int arr, the length of the array, int min. This is the minimum. This is the variable to hold the minimum index minimum index of the minimum element. To traverse the array 0 I less than, we are running our loop to the second last element because the last element will automatically settle down at its own place. For in the beginning, let's assume the minimum element is the 0th element, because this minimum element is the leftmost array. And j equals to I plus 1 denotes that the second right array. And in here we will check if array left array is sorted or not. If not, we will simply initialize min to j. Now what we will do, we will swap the ith element with minimum element. Temp equals to arr I, and arr I equals to arr min, and arr min equals to temp. So let's write the driver code. Void int main int arr 7, 0, 1, 9, 2. Let's this our array. The length of the array is 5. Passing the array to the selection sort function arr and n, and printing the values. It's 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. Cout arr n I. Return 0. Let's run our code. So this is the R. So this is the array elements. After sorting the array elements 0, then 1, then 2, then 7, then 9. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.